Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix a microphone not working on your PC. So just go to the speaker button, right click, and select the open volume. Actually, go to sound settings, sorry. Scroll down and go to the microphone and select the correct input. So my one is correct on the Fantech Leviosa one. And as you can see, it will detect my voice. You can pair a new device, but just make sure you've selected the correct one. If that isn't working still, go to the privacy and security settings, scroll down until you find microphone, and make sure you have enabled everything. So for this one, make sure it's on, and make sure these are on if you are using that app. But that is pretty much how you can enable your microphone on your PC and make it work. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!